Hello guys, this is me Lisa. Today I'll show you how to make a customized GIF using Paint 3D, which is a built-in app in Windows 10. So you can make a video like this. So let's see how we can make it. Okay, at first I will select I will go to Paint 3D, then I will start a new project. Then I will create some marker. No, I won't take the blue color, so I will click Ctrl Z. So I will take this color, and this is, and I will take the fill color. Then here will be, you will select this color and put it here. Okay, then go to the text option. So I will go to the 3D text. So I will take uh, my font which I like. Okay, I'm taking this as my font. So suppose it's a New Year wish GIF. So I am happy New Year. I'll make it large. To all of you. So I'm done with the writing. So I'll click somewhere else of this box. Then next come to this. I'll tilt little bit and I'll make this here. Okay, now my text is taken, so I will decorate it little more. So I'll go to the sticker option. So here is my stickers, and this is also. So I will take it like I can make a flower with the pig here. So I'll take it 3D. Okay, rotate little bit. It is taken. Then I'll take it again. Then I'll rotate it. Okay, I have taken it as 2D. So I will take one 2D, one 3D. Okay. Now I'm making it 3D. Okay, it is done. Then I will take again as a 2D. Okay. So this is taken. This is a design, and I will take a love sign. I'll make it 3D. So I'm taking all of this, and this will be like that, and this will be like that. Okay, this is taken. I'll take another one. I'll make it 3D also. I'll make it like that. So that is what taken. So this is a wish card you have made. I have already made it for you guys. So now I'll go to the save as option. I will save it as video. So this is MP4 video, right? So I will make it as GIF image. Okay. So this is done. So I will go to the save option. I will save it here, and I will name it as New Year Wish. Done. Save. Let's see what is saved there. Okay, I have saved it in the videos. I will go to the capture and wish. This is what I have made, but if you want the animation with it, so again go to the menu, save as video. So I will make it as swing. GIF video. Then I will save. So again I will save it as there. So this will save as GIF video of New Year Wish. So it's being saved. So let's see what is saved. See, this is your GIF video what you have made, what I have made till now. So that is how you can make your customized GIF image or GIF video like that. Okay, that's all for today. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and give my video a huge thumbs up, and have a good day. Thank you guys.